Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing. Today I got an unboxing. I bought a new cooker, so we're gonna unbox it. We're going to assemble it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Thanks for being with me today. Let's take a look. And there she is. That's right. It's a Smokey Mountain. It's a Weber Smokey Mountain. I got the 22.5-inch, brand new, in the box. We're gonna unbox it together. All right. I'm just gonna unbox it, show you what's inside, and I'm gonna take all the contents out. Take a look. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, looks like they put the grates on top. Looks like it's a charcoal grate. A little greasy. Keep it from rusting. And here are the two grates, just regular standard Weber grates without the flaps, without the openings on each side. Alright, you're getting closer here. Alright, that's a little foam action here. We put this on the ground over here. Must be tools and tools. Must be hardware in here. Tools. Come on, Joe. What are you talking about? Okay. Interesting. Here we got the lid. Cool. And here's a, they included the cover, which I ordered. The cover, the lid, and the aluminum pan that goes beneath the smoker, and the charcoal ring. Beautiful. Okay, so here is the main cooking chamber. Yeah, that's pretty big. All right. Excellent. All right. Here is the bottom section of the cooker. And finally, the top. Well, I guess that other piece wasn't the top, it just looked like it. Oh, wait, that must have been, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, well, here's the top. Beautiful. And there she is. We'll start from left to right. Charcoal grate, the cooking grates, some hardware, the legs, owner's manual, the top, the cooking chamber, charcoal ring, the charcoal basket, the cover, and the dust reservoir or the thingamajig that goes underneath the bottom of the cooker. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put her together. I won't bore you with that. And we'll take a look at her when she's all built. If you'd like to support my channel and you're interested in one of these beautiful Weber Smokey Mountains or anything else you like to buy, there's an Amazon link down below and also on my banner on my channel page. My channel will receive a small commission where I could use for groceries or equipment. It'll be a great way to support my channel and I would really appreciate it. Well, let's get back to this unboxing. And there she is. Took me about an hour. Maybe a little more than an hour to put it together. It wasn't very difficult. Beautiful. Take a look inside. Water pan, both greats. Excellent. One cool feature is this little thingamajig here to allow you to put the probe in when you have those thermometers instead of going to the top. So just go right in there. That's a nice little feature. The door doesn't seal quite right around here. So I've seen YouTubers replace it altogether or add a little insulation in there. Excellent. So this is my unboxing. My 22-inch Smokey Mountain. So the next order of business is to do a burn. So that'll probably be my next video. Beautiful. I can't wait to start cooking. I've been waiting for one of these for quite some time. Excellent. Well, thanks for sticking around and hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Next order of business, we're going to do a burn on this Weber Smokey Mountain. Once again, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you guys here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.